Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Hey, good morning, you guys. It's Velvet Locks. I am back. What I usually like to do when I'm on a weight loss journey is I like to use my apple cider vinegar to start my morning. So before I drink any types of teas or detox smoothies, I like to start my morning off like this. I've done Now, I don't know if some of you are aware of this wonderful item right here in the background, but this is a powerful way to slim down and get rid of that stomach fat. This is a detox and an energizer. It's organic, and it also helps to get your stomach flat. Like I said, this is what's going to help to remove that excess waste in your body. It's going to boost your metabolism, and it's going to also maintain your cholesterol. So if you're suffering from high cholesterol, this is going to help to bring it down and maintain it. This also helps to strengthen your colon, and it's going to help to burn that fat. So today I'm going to be using this as an extra boost on top of my apple cider vinegar, which I've already taken today. But I'm going to be drinking my Flat and Firm Belly Detox. So I'm going to start my morning off with that. Now this is a 2 tablespoons. So it says on the bottle to take 2 to 4 tablespoons. And I normally take 4 because I really feel that with 4, you see it actually working. Okay. Let me drink this down real quick, and then we can start on my morning breakfast. Okay, now this does not taste bad at all, and not like those bitters. Okay, so now let's start with the morning smoothie. Now this is a powerful morning smoothie that's going to help to burn 20 pounds of weight in 3 weeks. Now, apples is a wonderful fruit for helping to get rid of that excess stuff in your stomach. Like they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, this is what's going to help to fill you with fiber. It has pectin in it, and it's great for getting rid of that excess waste in your colon. So I'm going to start off by slicing my apples and popping them into my blender cup. Now, you can actually use any kind of apple, the bigger the better. Next, I'm going to also add in my flax seeds. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Love my flax seeds. Next, I'm going to add in some of my chia seeds. Okay. So I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of my chia seeds. Next, I'm going to add in my whole oats. I love my oats. This is what's also going to help to fill you faster, make you feel full longer so you're not snacking in between meals. So I'm going to put like 6 tablespoons of my oats because, like I said, this is a breakfast smoothie. Now remember what I said, this is 2 tablespoons each. So that's a total of 6. Next, I'm going to add in a sprinkle of my nutmeg. Nutmeg gives it a nice taste and a nice flavor. Next, I'm going to add in about 1/8 of my cinnamon powder. Okay, and that's it, you guys. A delicious morning smoothie. Now, you can also use this as a meal replacement for lunch. Also, if you're not that much of a big dinner eater, you can have this as a dinner. This is delicious. It's filling. And if it's too thick in consistency, you can always add a little bit more milk. But this is a wonderful way to shed that stomach, flush it down, get it right, and slim down. Okay, that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get rid of that weight. So this is an awesome, powerful smoothie to help you to lose 20 pounds in 3 weeks. So you guys, I want to thank you again for joining me in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Check out in the affiliate links for these wonderful items such as the personal size and the full size NutriBullet blenders and these awesome metal reusable straws. I have more things in there as well, so check it out. Also check out my eBay store where you will get the Flat and Firm Belly Detox, immunity boosters, tonics, moringa. I have so many wonderful tonics and detoxes down there, as well as the herbal honeys. Okay, so check them out, and don't forget to visit my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skincare, family challenges, and more. All right, so thank you again, and until the next time, I will see you in the next video. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Vlogs coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock, because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it, and like I said, it works. Okay, this tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store, where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you, along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store, where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below.